Hey guys, today's video is a bit different. I have never worn something as a wig to this one, so let's get into today's sponsor, which is Nadula Hair. Thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. The wig is a body wave 13 by 4, 24 inches, 150 density wig. And guess what? Look at the front. This is a oh. Wow, ooh, it feels good so far. So this is the first time I'm gonna wear a wig with a little bit of bang situation going on, so I'm excited. But the lace is pre-bleached. You guys see the lace is pre-bleached. We have the little bang right there, and the hair feels good, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, Nadula, for 150 density, this is given. So this is how it is. It's very bouncy. We do have the adjustable band. You guys know I love me adjustable band, and of course the comb around the back, which I love. It also, you guys can do the glueless, just to what do you call it, the tabs, and you'll be perfectly fine. Let's see what we're gonna do. Let's get into it. The wig came with this, so I left it and I added a little bit more curls to it. So we are gonna install it. I already took off the tabs because I don't want the tabs. I want this wig to last a little bit longer than a day wear, so I am just going to spray it down. Real simple, real easy. So we're just gonna spray it down. Let me pin this out the way, and let's get into it. Just excited for a bang, you know. Alright guys, so the wig is down, and that was super easy. Okay, Mrs. Bang. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I added curls to it, which is super cute. I don't want to curl it out as yet. We're gonna fix the bang and then do that, which means it all depends on how your face is. If you have low forehead, high forehead, that's what I call it, then you want to make sure that your bang cuts the right way. So I'm gonna cut a little bit off. for the bang, I am not gonna cut mine no shorter because I don't want it to be too short, okay? So I think I'm gonna leave it right like this. And all I'm gonna do is cut some of the hair so we have it looking a little bit more fluffy. Just a little bit. You don't have to do this. The only way you cut the hair, because they're not gonna cut it, is if you want it to have that fuller look, and that's what we're going for. So you can add layers, just don't cut down the ends too much for all of that. So here we go. Let's just add the layers on both sides. Ooh, yes! Look at, this is it, y'all. This is it. What do you guys think? Guys, what are the thoughts? Like, give me you guys' opinion on this, because I like it. To be honest, I really do. It's giving grown, okay? It's giving sexy, and I like it. And I love the curls. The curls do last, and this is how it looks in the back. The hair is long as well, so I like that. But this is how we're gonna wear it. I will show you guys a updo hairstyle with the bang as well. So if you guys want to do that, also being that it's a bang, you can do this, okay? It doesn't have to be in your face, covering your eyes, especially if you wear makeup or anything. They make it super easy for you to freelance with it. I just kind of like 2 or 3 down. And it also depends on how you lay the wig, so make sure you guys be mindful and pay attention to that. But the curls are not going nowhere. I'll be playing with the curls and they're not going anywhere. They also added layers, so I went in and did a little bit more. They made it super easy. Even though it's a frontal wig, it is super easy. You can use the tabs. I didn't want no tabs, okay? Because I want it to last. I want it to last. I will show you guys an updo, but we're gonna let it stay as is because I like it like this. Love the one curls in it. Beautiful, just beautiful. So if you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you check the description, okay? Make sure you check the description bar and get the same wig, do the same hairstyle. You can do an updo. Even though it's not a 360, it's still okay. The wig is snug to my head as well, and that's something that I like. So make sure you check it out, and thank you to Nadula for sponsoring this video again. I love it. This is the first time wearing a bang wig from a company, and I am in love. So make sure you guys check the description and check it out. The curls are beautiful. If you get this wig, you want to curl it, you curl it one time, it comes curled. You don't have to worry about anything else, okay? So I'll see you guys in the next one. Nadula.